For the purpose of our international audience, I'll mainly speak in English. Let me begin by sharing a story, a conversation between two kings. Even though the other king that I'm talking about is probably twice my age. This happened years ago, mid-2000s. He loved Bhutan, and he frequented Bhutan quite often. We were walking in the garden one day, and we were talking about making plans for the next day. And he told me, he used to endearingly call me Dragon King. And he said, Dragon King, I want to prepare a chicken dish for you tomorrow. Have you ever tried my secret recipe? It's one of the most delicious, succulent chicken roast that you would have ever tasted. So I said, Your Majesty, you're my guest. You honor us with this gesture, but I cannot trouble you, Your Majesty. It is kind of you, but I will prepare picnic lunch for all of us. Our kitchen will take care of it. He said, Dragon King, you're young. You're not like me. I have experience on my side. Now let me tell you a thing or two about being a king. When I prepare chicken, I will call the chef to my room and give him the recipe and tell him how to cook it. I will not be in the kitchen. Ha, 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 ha. He laughed and he patted me on my back. So the lesson of this story is, I give the recipe. And there are many cooks that make magic happen. So today is all about expressing gratitude to our armed forces, who've been in service for a long time, never faltered nor failed, deep sense of devotion, courage, and they've done everything that they've been instructed to do. And we'll continue to rely on them to make national service hugely successful. And then we have our National Service Corps team. And then we have all the ministries, departments, civil servants. We have an enormous amount of goodwill and support. But I think the greatest gratitude must go to our people, and furthermore must go to your parents. Chege apada ai. Gelsung gutsugube soda kaaregi labthemujabe kariche. Ani gebigi chala the kadiben ngachera maungpa dindi zoni gi tundeleme. Ngache alu pususulu name same pen bombe ton. Ngache misilu pen ton. Ngache gyakaplu pen ton. Tani zumdi gutsu rera renchi kariche se. Ta Maradi samgi machabigi hindambikelera chegi apada ailu karikasu bombil. An enormous amount of gratitude to your parents for having faith in us, for supporting this undertaking, and for sending you here. Now, national service has been built based on who we really are. It's based on our courage, our resilience, our humility, our righteousness. It's based on our discipline, our culture, and our values. it's also built upon what we want to do. Where we see Bhutan in the future. We're not going to leave anything to chance. Everything is going to be by design. It's providence. Tangachara maungpa se. Tebe tamebe ko majaba talapa guzung ngachara gi bunda shu rikpa. Ne kaptun de la kaara de laptup chitungi tolebe tsagendibe. Jenda madogi gyahab dindi ngerang toto tsatang taji zonigi ngache lamtundosa. So national service is based on our greatest strength, and that is unity, cohesion, trust, and respect for each other. National service is about building this great future. And let me remind you, great things are not achieved easily. Great things can only be accomplished when you overcome great adversity. When you're putting an enormous amount of work, when you're willing to sacrifice, delay gratification, when you show resolve, grit, good attitude, good spirit, and when you want to succeed, when you desire to build that future. So, chara kaira semka jana, the tari ngachira na gato to vechika zom bedubdalo, the gerab na tsubigi nimchinsa. The talapa guzung kepa matongi parduse, lo tonta chigi jable, ngachi du gyakhabdi, gyakhabpera, rawa mashoba, dingdibe dyogobachin, the tarigi ladi, name same kechesa. Our children, our grandchildren, our great-grandchildren, long after we are dead and forgotten, what we do here today will live on, sir. This is a building block. This is a very powerful instrument to where we see ourselves in the future. Tangachira na dugyakab di dindi zotab ki tunle ta na me same chaji bombe chamsi sa. Cherake dungta chi gogol. In a catchment area of 2 billion people, we're talking of India, one of our most important neighbors, close to 1.5 billion citizens. We're talking of Bangladesh, more than 170 million. Pakistan, more than 240 million. Nepal, 33 million. Sri Lanka, 22 million, and so on. We want to make sure that Bhutan becomes one of the most relevant countries. We want to punch above our own weight. We're going to also have to make up for the numbers that we do not have with talent, with coordination, discipline, intellect. And we have to understand the world that we live in, every minute detail. And we're going to have to take full advantage of our sovereign prerogatives with our sensibility and our ambition. So that work begins now. And it's going to take a long while before it reaches fruition. But that is our responsibility, our future, and our task. And our good fortune that we get this honor and privilege of building that beautiful Bhutan. We all love our country very much. We're proud of who we are. But I truly believe that we can become even better. The world hasn't seen who we really are and what we are capable of. I intend to unleash that. So every single step has been taken so far to amplify who we are, to reinforce who we are, and to align it to a prosperous, stable, bright future. So ani bodalu ta talapa guzung dibe chara nale jonda tha kyu den chechi tsagen dibe chashusa ngachi gyakab di jenda madugi gyakab kechi minji gi gyakab ngachara mise kamemi bumdun lapchiri chiwachi dindi nyerang totobe zora zosusa kawa ngachi tapetyong kawa ngachi keobe tyongsa and jupchagi tekaberura de ngachi dupdi shuma rangi misedina ro jenda chapde ngachi chuppetyong. So I'm very happy to be standing in front of you. It took a while for us to get here, but now the journey has begun. Tengara khatule melom tap sarail. Tengachi gi mitsedinalo pendi dubi gyakap gi temba di nyamachu se. Ugi gurumbuchi shabdunga namgel ngara yapgie te lungtin chengi gap se ro kutsichi gyakap chashu ngache nomashi me ro shabgi zibe te chala su hema lara zena isa te ani diben chola tanere meol. We mustn't squander this opportunity away. Te ani bendigera ta ngachera nyemasobe ladera zotun tapshe nekaptun tel hasan namdagi tole jignang meba chashunisa. So anyway, boys and girls, girl soups, every month I will come and visit you. Each month, I have no doubt that I'll see tremendous progress. You will see great transformation even within yourself and amongst yourselves. And then slowly, you truly represent Bhutan's future, sir. Again, let me remind you, our humility, our confidence, clarity, discipline, cohesion, trust, respect, our courage, and our ability to work together and achieve great things. Dani dikar chele betyong. Tingi katule taritep kanemi jagajunlu. An enormous sense of gratitude for our Indian friends, Government of India, Prime Minister Modi, for invaluable support, encouragement, and contribution. So please pass on our thanks to GOIL. Tejen taritep kanemi, tash delu mal.